Hi, I'm Michelle Shibabas. I am a probate and estate planning attorney located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I had some other people that I would send family law referrals to, but I really wasn't too happy with how they handled the clients. I didn't get great feedback from my clients when I sent them the other attorney's way. Well, I think as a lawyer, you work very hard on your reputation, and so a lot of our clients really become lifelong clients for us. We have a relationship with our clients, and so we want to make sure that when we're sending them to somebody else, that it's a professional that's going to take care of our clients just as we would, or even better. When you have somebody that you're working with that really doesn't seem like they have a system in place to deal with clients and are not really professional in handling them, it really looks bad on you and your firm. I met with Vanessa. I believe I met her through How to Manage a Small Law Firm, probably 2 or 3 years at this point. She does so many things as far as outreach in the community and setting up networking with lawyers and just being a good resource for other lawyers. I really could tell that she was engaged in the profession and engaged in building relationship with people, and I had a suspicion that she deals with her clients the same way. When I did meet up with her, I knew that it was somebody she was somebody that I really wanted to start sending business to and see how that relationship would work out. I really didn't have a good family lawyer that I had faith in, and so I actually had quit referring anybody with some type of family law matter to anybody, and I would just send them to the local bar association referral service, and so that way they would take care of it, and I didn't really have much input into it otherwise. I knew that she had those abilities, and I knew that sending stuff to her, people were through a professional intake process. It wasn't 4 days, 5 days before somebody was reaching out. People, when they have legal issues, they really are in the middle of it, especially family law issues are often time sensitive. So I know that when I send anything to Vanessa's firm, that there's always going to be a professional on the other end that's going to deal with my clients and also take care of them expeditiously in a professional manner. I know that we're both in the same law program, and I know she does other things as well. I knew and I felt pretty confident the size of her firm and where she's been and how long she's been around, that she had to have some good onboarding dealing with potential clients, and I was right. I know that I could just send my clients to her firm and that I really didn't have to follow up and check and worry about my clients, that they're going to be taken care of. And I think that's the most important thing, is you want to make sure that people are not just hanging out there, having anyone really care about what's going on in their life. I would say they're professional, competent. She's got great people on her team that are dealing with clients that come into the firm, and that speaks volumes to the firm as a whole as well. The feedback from my clients is thank you. I really enjoyed working with her. Subjectively, I guess it gives me, or gives my clients, a little more confidence in me as well, in that they know that I'm taking care of them, even though I'm not even doing the work that they need. The number one thing is lawyers need to stop doing everything. Oh, it's just a little prenup, or it's just a little this, or it's just a little that, and it's not. I think people need to realize that they need to have a team of other professionals that they refer things to and that they stay in their lane. And they need to ensure that when they're working with referral partners, that they really know the people and they know their values and that they're aligned with your firm as well, because a client that might be great for my firm might not be great for somebody else's firm. It's important to make sure that who you're dealing with is going to be aligned with your goals and your values. That's key to know, that when you're sending somebody off to another firm, that they really care about the client the same way that you do. I think I probably said it 10 times that, I really feel like she's a very professional firm. She's really out there, not just being a business person making money, but she's out there in the community, making connections with people and being involved. And I know she's president of the Coral Gables Bar Association. She's really contributed to the profession as well as just her small part of the family law world. And I think that's important important as well that we get out there and get in the community, because lawyers get such a bad rap. Everybody comes to us. It's good when you're out there in the community doing things and getting to know people on a one-to-one basis, that it really changes the perception. And I think that Vanessa does a really great job of that in her firm.